lovely family, welcome back to another lovely video, a nail video at that. So we are continuing our nail series of nails that I have gotten from Walmart or CVS, basically press-on nails from different nail companies. So we have another Paintlab set. So this set is called Bejeweled. Basically a medium French almond with jewels already on them that you can do at home. So we definitely have salon quality at home mani in minutes. Okay, and I'm going to show y'all how you can get that. So let's go ahead and open the package. And this comes with the glue included. It says lasts up to 14 days. Has a prep pad, the extra nails here, comes with a pick and nail file and glue. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to set up our nails. And so, sometimes with me, I either file my nails and do my prep process first and then find the nails, which does help because then your nails are pulled back. But also usually I use the same numbers with my nails. So if you are regular with press-on nails, you kind of know which numbers are your go-to. Okay, and then if it doesn't actually have a number on there, like some of these don't even have a number, you kind of know what size you wear if you wear press-on nails. Okay, so you can do the prep first where you pull your nail beds back so you can put the nail like so, but mine are pushed back pretty much already. So usually both sides of my nails are the same length. The only one different is actually my two pinkies. As you can see, this pinky is smaller than this pinky. So usually my pinky nails are different. All right, now that we have our set here ready to go, I like to go ahead and put things back in here. Presentation wise, it looks better, if I say so myself. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pull back my cuticles. Please excuse the noise in the back if you hear the noise. they are mowing the lawn. And of course they want to come over here as soon as I start videoing. So I'm just pulling my cuticles back here. Go ahead and file them. Feels like both sides are the same hardness, grit, as you would call it. So I'm just going to file it down. Like so. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and use this prep wipe. Just to take the excess dust off the nail. You can cut them if you desire, but I think it'll be fine. So this is what we look like for our prep. And their glue is pretty good. If I can get it open. Right. It's already cut. And we're gonna go ahead and start. I used to start with my thumb first, but then I seen that it was recommended to start with your pinky. I honestly don't know the reason why, because when I started with my thumb it was fine, but hey, just starting with your pinky as well is fine as well. I applied the glue to the nail, to my actual nail, and depending on the strength of the glue tells me if I have to apply it to my nail and the nail. But there we are, no bubbles. Looks really cute so far. I like to hold it for 10 seconds. We do 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippis. Like that. And for the glue, I just make sure that the glue it shows that it's adhering to the nail. And that's how you make sure you don't have any bubbles. I feel like if you see that there's a bubble, that means that the glue is not adhering to the nail right there, and there's some air in there, and there's no glue in that section. All right, not even 10 minutes and we have one hand done. No bubbles. Bejeweled. Comment down below how much you think this would cost you. The French tip, the almond shape, the medium length with the jewels on all fingers at the nail salon. Let me know down in the comments. Let me know down in the comments how much you think this set would cost you, okay? This is my second set with Paintlab. I bought this with my own money at Walmart. This was, at Walmart, it was $7.67. And now on their website, it's more, but you know, that's why Walmart is a good place to get it. CVS, Walgreens. Now, I'm not sure, I don't think I've seen Paintlab at CVS or Walgreens, but I have seen them at Walmart. And I love a good press-on set where I don't have to buy separate glue, that the glue was actually good as well. Okay, got 3 fingers left. And if you happen to have a crooked nail, pay attention to the nail, and it's okay to take it off mid-application because you can always put it back on. And if you say that you have too much glue and it's too, just wash that finger, file it, and redo it. That's what I've done. One more nail to go. Uh-oh. And like that. You have a nail set in less than 15 minutes. No bubbles. And it didn't cost you $100 some odd. Just a few minutes of your time. Let me get the oil, my cuticle oil here. Let's give it some health and some shine. If there is a brand that you all would like for me to try, put it down in the comments. What shape? And I will go look for some cute ones. Now I gotta look for some cute ones, y'all. So I know, I believe someone had suggested Impress, the sticky ones. So I am looking for some cute ones. Comment down below if those are the ones you were talking about, the Impress sticky tab nails, if you want me to do a video on those. Let me know down in the comments. Alrighty, so Salon quality nails that you can get from Walmart at home for less than $10. Alrighty, y'all, so let me know down in the comments what you think of these cute bejeweled French almond nails from Paintlab that I got from Walmart. Don't forget to let me know how much you think this set would cost you in the Salon almond medium length French tip Salon quality nails at home. Salon quality at home mani in minutes by Paintlab. Alrighty, let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next lovely video. Bye. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and it won't lay today.